Welcome to Landlording U, Avail's video series designed to help DIY landlords succeed with expert tips and insights. Hi, I'm Matt Eatherton, Head of Avail. I've been renting my condo in the city of Chicago for the last 15 years. I'm what's referred to as an accidental landlord. In 2010, my property was significantly underwater. Therefore, I chose to become a landlord out of a desire to keep my property long-term without taking a loss in the sale. Many of you might be in that same situation today. You may want to move, but you don't want to lose that highly desirable mortgage that you have. In this video, we'll break down the fundamentals of becoming a landlord and what you can expect in the upcoming episodes of this series. Becoming a landlord can be a rewarding investment, but it comes with some challenges. Here are some things to keep in mind. 1, avoid common mistakes. Learn from other experienced landlords so you don't make the same mistakes and are prepared for surprises. 2, know what to look for in a renter. Screening the right way prevents future headaches. And 3, automate. Set up the systems and processes in place to put your rental property on autopilot. Let's quickly walk through the key steps to becoming a successful landlord. First, you're going to want to prepare your unit. Get all that maintenance out of the way. Next, advertise your property on all the major platforms. Then start to screen your renters following fair housing laws. And then draft that lease, ensuring that it's legally sound and ready for e-sign. Once you have renters in a signed lease, you'll next want to onboard them and set proper expectations. Next, you'll want to set up rent collection, making sure that it's easy and repeatable for all parties. And then lastly, be prepared for maintenance requests as they start to come in. Each of these steps will be covered in much more detail in this series, so stay tuned. In Series 2, we'll take a deeper dive into topics like how to set the right rent price, the importance of having an LLC as a landlord, strategies for handling renter issues, and streamlining rent collection and maintenance requests. For more expert advice on launching and managing a rental business, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our resources page. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.